Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate stop for the hottest rides and the coolest car reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the 2025 BMW M3 Competition, the icon that just refuses to slow down. A name that has defined performance sedans for decades, the M3 Competition is back and sharper than ever. The 2025 M3 Competition isn't just a facelift, it's a precise evolution. BMW has refined the beast with subtle yet bold upgrades. At the front, the signature kidney grills are slightly reshaped for improved airflow, flanked by slimmer LED headlights with laser-like precision. Aerodynamics are enhanced with sculpted side skirts, a carbon fiber roof, and an aggressive rear diffuser, all contributing to both form and function. Sitting low on lightweight 19 and 20-inch staggered wheels, this machine demands attention from every angle. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six continues to roar, delivering 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and optional X-Drive all-wheel drive, the M3 Competition rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. Whether you're on the track or just taking corners in the city, the adaptive M suspension and M differential keep it glued to the road. Inside, BMW blends luxury with race-bred focus. You get M carbon bucket seats, a curved 14.9-inch infotainment display running iDrive 8.5, and premium materials throughout. New for 2025 are enhanced gesture controls, updated voice assistant features, and more driver-focused displays. Every detail screams precision. Tech-savvy drivers will love the advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and automatic emergency braking. And let's not forget the Harman Kardon sound system that turns every drive into a concert. With a starting price around $81,000, the 2025 BMW M3 Competition remains a dream ride for driving enthusiasts. What makes it sell? It's the balance: brutal power, refined luxury, and daily usability. BMW continues to perfect the formula, and this latest version just might be the best M3 yet. That's a wrap for today's review on Auto Vibes. If you loved this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts about the M3 Competition in the comments. Catch you in the next drive.